All right, how am I doing here? Indra says, what are your thoughts about creating future episodes in advance to launch? How many to balance your work? Thank you. What a great question. Yes, I just like podcasting, right? You want to have a backlog of videos. What I find really helpful to create is these days I am constantly thinking about playlists. And if I may basically bring you behind the scenes of how I manage my videos, I use something called Notion. And I have something called YouTube. And by the way, these templates are something that you can get from the kit. And I look at these videos and I think about them in terms of collections as opposed to one video at a time. And I will kind of bring them together, move it. And my Notion templates are just really straightforward. You probably have seen something way more sophisticated than this, but it really helps me. And so what I will do, what a great question, is instead of thinking about one video at a time or planning or recording one video one day, what I do is batch recording. So I will spend one afternoon scripting 5 to 10, even 10 videos, scripting them all. These are light scripting for me. And I don't write out every single word. It just doesn't work for me. It doesn't sound natural. I know a lot of YouTubers starting out are thinking about that. I actually wouldn't recommend it. And then I'll spend the next day or 2 days from then to quickly review the script, and I will batch record 5 to 10 videos. You may be thinking that's a lot, but you actually get better. It is just, as a content creator, it gets easier. I promise you, it gets easier in front of the camera. You will find yourself kind of make fewer mistakes, and your videos will be even easier to edit in the end. So I hope I answer that question.